Hey, all right, so today we're going to do the riverboat ride. It's the tourist riverboat ride. It's a half an hour ride, hop on, hop off, and then we're going to come back another half an hour. So basically a 1 hour ride, and it starts from, what's this? IconSiam. It's behind IconSiam Mall, okay? So if you want to come here, just go to IconSiam Mall and walk across, and you'll see this area, and you buy the ticket, and the ticket is really affordable. It's like 40 baht, and yeah, look at the view, dude. So this is the river, right? This is that main river in Bangkok. So there are cruises. There's the river cruise. That river cruise includes food, buffet, and all that stuff, and it's more expensive. So, and it's a longer ride, but we just decided to take the boat ride. So I'll show you now when we get to the boat. So like I said, it's just behind IconSiam. That mall is amazing. It's got an amazing food court. You can actually eat before you ride. Tourist boat, this one, it's every half an hour. The boat comes every half an hour, and the ride is half an hour. So here's the line, and that's the boat we're going to go to. Okay, we're entering, and it's better if you go upstairs. So we're going to try to find room upstairs. All right, we are starting the boat ride. We did not get a seat. I mean, we're just going to stand. Is River City, Bangkok. This is our first stop. It's called the Chao Pier. So you can hop on, hop off, but we're not going to get out. We're just going to stay here. Chao
สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ
All right, continuing, crossing the bridge. Amazing views from the river cruise. You get all these traditional Thai architecture buildings. Stop. It's called Rajani Pier. Rajani. So there's Wat Arun. Beautiful, beautiful monument. We lucked out, guys. We lucked out. We got the first seat here. You know, this Thai couple just left. All right, this is our next stop. Beautiful buildings here, and that's Wat Arun. The view of Wat Arun is there. All right, that is the Grand Palace there. The Grand Palace. And then we see Bangkok high rise at the back. Look at that. All the high rises there. There is the Royal Palace. Grand Palace. All right, we are at the next stop. It's called Tha Chang. This is Tha Chang.
สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ
Tha Maharaj.
Next pier ท่า Maharaj Star M Alight Pier 4 ท่า Maharaj Community Mall in front of Thai, the Thai custom shop. So passengers.
So we're crossing this Phra Pink Lao Bridge, and there's another nice bridge there. Beautiful bridge. It's cool high rises, man. Bangkok is full of high rises. High rises everywhere. Haphazard construction going on. Definitely booming city. I read that 25% of the population of Thailand live in the Bangkok area, the greater Bangkok area. Yep. All right, so this is the last stop. It's called the Phra Pier, and we get off here. So it was a 30-minute ride. I highly recommend this. Highly, highly recommend this. And especially do it around 4 or 5 p.m. so you see the sunset. Yep, definitely. And note the water, it's pretty brown actually. Really brown water, but still beautiful. Yep. All right, so the cruise is ended. And yeah, it's the blue one. It's called the hop on, hop off boat. All right, the boat is leaving. So yeah, the thing is like, we got the double-decker boat from the mall, so from IconSiam. So it's good to, you know, take the boat from IconSiam because these are the double-decker boats you get. Otherwise, the rest of the boats are all single ones. All right, definitely must do in Bangkok.